Friday, March 13th, Friday the 13th. It's day one, everybody's home. Girls aren't going to go to school for the next 2 weeks. My wife is actually going to work from home the next 2 weeks. CoronaVirus is in full effect. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Really, I want to be proactive, but it's like we can go outside, and I don't want to get infected. I know some people are getting infected, and it's too soon to tell. I don't know. For my Spanish speaking audience, hoy es viernes 13 de marzo. Acá en Estados Unidos los viernes 13 serían como los martes 13 de allá. Es el primer día que estamos todos en casa, ya no podemos salir. Las nenas ya no van a ir a la escuela por las próximas 2 semanas y mi esposa tampoco, trabaja desde casa. No sé si voy a poder ir a hacer jiu-jitsu o qué, pero creo que saco esto cada un segundo. Pero bueno, vamos a ver qué pasa. Después les cuento mañana. I'll talk to you tomorrow, see what's happening, how we're doing. Day one, staying at home. Peace out.